So whenever we talk about a particular relationship, for example, a line, we want to talk about things that different lines can have in common. Now that brings us to parallel lines. So let's go ahead and define parallel lines and then look at some of their characteristics. So the definition of parallel lines is that lines are parallel if they share no points in common. Now, another way of looking at that is just saying that they do not intersect. If that's the case, let's go ahead and just look at a line. And let's say that we have the line y equals 2x plus 1. And let's graph that out real quick. Well, that has a y-intercept at 1. And then we're going to go up 2 for every 1 we go over, or down 2 for every 1 we go to the left. Okay, maybe get a couple more points in there. And we can graph that out. If we want a line that doesn't intersect that line, or has no points in common, well, clearly it's not going to have the same y-intercept. So let's just pick a different y-intercept. And then the concept would be if I then, let's say, went up 1 and over 1, well, what's going to happen? I'm going to intersect it pretty quick. Well, using that, what if instead we went, and I'm going to pick a different y-intercept here. Well, if I don't want to have any points in common, well, I just showed that if I go up at a different rate, then I'm going to intersect it. So what if I went up at the same rate, or if I had the same slope? So I'm going up 2 and over 1, or down 2 and to the left 1. And minus the fact that my drawing isn't perfect here, it becomes pretty obvious that if two lines are going to be parallel, they must have the same slope. So as you can see, parallel lines have a really important characteristic in common. They are going to have the same rate of change, or go up at the same rate, or just have the same slope.